Alrighty guys, we are at Six Flags over Texas today. Doing a few videos today, so if you see me wearing the same thing in like 3 or 4 videos, that's why. Taking a lot. But today we're gonna be covering AquaMan PowerWave construction. Coming in 2022 now. So we're gonna head over to the good spot to check out this construction and see how it's rolling. Well, it looks like the train isn't open yet, so hopefully later I can grab some footage from the train. We'll see what happens. All right, looks like they got some more stuff cleared out here. Those mounds weren't quite as big last time I was checking this side out, so. And actually, there's not really too much that's been done. Surprisingly, I mean, those mounds over there, back there, are starting to grow weeds already. We did have a lot of rain last month, but yeah, and they actually haven't done really much of anything over here. Still quite a lot of work to do, but I mean, it is still kind of early. They do have a long construction season in Dallas, unlike some other markets to where, you know, the weather can just really make it halt. But take note of how close the railroad gets to AquaMan. I'll talk about that in another video. Oh, here comes the train. It looks like it is gonna be going up, so that's pretty good. Yeah, I think that might about do it for this construction update. There's not a whole lot going on. If I can get on the train, I'll grab some more footage. But yeah, there's not a lot that's been done. The train really gets you a good view of the whole site. It's the best view to get of this ride. So, but all right guys, I'll check back in a few weeks. Hopefully they get some more work done. I'll make sure and look at this footage real close so I can figure out what new has been done in the next few weeks. But be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next construction update.
Much of it can begin with no smoking or vaping while you're on the train. Thank you and enjoy your ride. Passing by us to our right, you can catch a glimpse of the AquaMan PowerWave.